In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the GoToMeeting app. Whether you're jumping into a business meeting or connecting with friends and family, GoToMeeting is a versatile tool that can help you stay connected anywhere, anytime. Today, we'll walk through how to navigate the app to make your experience as smooth as possible. Let's start by opening the GoToMeeting app on your device. Once you have it open, you'll need to sign in. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. If not, you might need to create an account before proceeding. Signing in gives you access to all the features necessary for managing and participating in meetings efficiently. Now that you're logged in, you'll see several options on the app's home screen. Tap on the Meetings tab. This is going to show you any meetings you have already scheduled, along with their agendas. It's a straightforward way to keep track of upcoming events on your calendar. If you're looking to schedule something new, tap the Create button. When you're ready to set up a new meeting, decide if it's something planned or you'd like to gather instantly. For a future meeting, tap on Schedule. If you'd like to hold an immediate get-together, the Start Now option will be your go-to. For scheduled meetings, you will need to fill in all the details. This includes the date, time, and title of your meeting. Don't forget to add participants. This is crucial as it'll send out invitations to those you want to join. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, tap Save or Schedule. After your meeting is set, you'll want to tap Share to distribute the meeting link to your participants, ensuring